So, ladies and gentlemen, take what I'm shooting here with a grain of salt. I am live streaming this. So, I'm just gonna record everything that I do. So, thank you, Henry, for sending this to me. But we had run into a problem with the United States Postal Service. So, uh, they say that I can't use general delivery as a I don't know. It's kind of complicated. A supervisor told me one thing, and then another personnel is telling me another. So, and this person is thinking she's the supervisor. If you're the supervisor, if you're not the supervisor, keep this in mind. The person that told me this is not a supervisor. So I have to speak to a supervisor, which I've already spoken to. Therefore, you telling me something that she told me, so you're just wasting my time. So, ladies and gentlemen, United States Postal Service is the worst. I went to go to retrieve this box, and they gave me a hard time retrieving it, saying that I need to have a P.O. box because it was delivered to a P.O. box. Was this address states, ladies and gentlemen, it says general delivery on this box. So, if the post office accepts, if that location accepts that particular service, which it does, they cannot deny service at all. So with that said, everyone, and the reason why I'm using this service is because my mail has been compromised by the United States Postal Service. It was the United States Postal Service the most problem, giving away my packages to ransom people. So they are the reason why I'm using this service, and now they have a problem with me retrieving it. So I think that goes to show you that not a lot of United States Postal Service employees know what they are doing. So, with that said, everyone, yeah, so I'm just going to show you one more time that when you do get an address delivered to you, it must say your name and general delivery and the address of the post office, which I don't understand. Mind you, it said it was out for delivery at 6:18 this morning, and it took them almost 5 hours to deliver it to themselves. It goes to show you that not confidence in the United States Postal Service. With that said, everyone, just sharing some information on the 18th of February of 2025, United States Postal Service. I think you need to talk to your employees about what general delivery is meant for, because it is also meant for people that do not have a physical address, but also it's meant for if your address is compromised. And mind you, and this is where the United States Postal Service try to flex P.O. boxes. I'm not spinning a P.O. box, and every 3 months you increase my rate. Yeah, that's what they did to me in Madison, Wisconsin. And they did that to me in Seattle. Increased my rate every 3 months. I went from $5.80 to paying $15 to paying $24 to $28 to $32 to $38 to $42 to $47, and that's when I cut it. But in this box is some bubble wrap. And I just wanted to emphasize, thank you, Henry, for sending this out to me, friend. Now, he hasn't played with this yet, he says, but I don't know why it came with this. I don't use dongles like this. It reminds me of the old Apple headaches. So it comes with the 3 deck cats. Here is the Rode Wireless Go 2, microphone 1, microphone 2, and receiver 1. And we get a TRS cable, but I'm going to be using these for USB. And I think they have an adapter for iPhone, so I'm gonna double check that. But yeah, got these from Henry. Thank you, Henry, for sending these out. He's a supporter of the channel, everyone, and he's a photographer. So yeah, so he sent me these, and he's never played with them. These are like brand new, basically. So just give you guys a little bit of context. Yeah, let me throw some little Maven filters. I actually am using a CPL on this live stream right now. But yeah, these are the deck cats that come with it. And the interesting thing about these deck cats that Roll learned from the first set of the wireless Go was that this one, what you have to do is like, you gotta line the 2 dots up on the deck cat. You see that? It's like 2 dots here. You're gonna line that up. And twist. Therefore, it doesn't ever come off. Just like my Cinco wireless. You see how this is like a snap-on piece. The deck cat on this doesn't come off. But I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do this to you. With the Comic-Con Boom XD, this comes off too easy. I've been having issues with that. But you know what? For almost 5 years using this, I'm not, mind you, I'm not mad because this is a great audio system. Okay? And then I have the VD Live 10 wireless system from Comic-Con, and mind you, that doesn't come with the deck cat. Well, it does come with the deck cat, but it just comes off too easy, just like this one. So, but just giving you guys comparisons on deck cats too. So, it's kind of unique that like this doesn't come off. So I'm gonna play with this one for a little bit and play around with the settings, because I'm gonna be using this for USB, but I'm going to try to see if there. I'm sure Rode has an adapter for this, right? For Apple, maybe. I don't know. But thank you, Henry, for sending this out, and thank you for supporting the channel, friends. Showing the haters that they can't stop us. We everywhere, friend. Panda Nation. That's how we do it here. Thank you, Henry, for sending this out to me. And mind you, last night I made a video about this gimbal. And mind you, nothing but great things. And mind you, I'm pushing out the video, but give me time, everyone. But mind you, phenomenal gimbal, very light, very compatible. Zhiyun, thank you so much for sending this out. But thank you everyone for watching. This is just a live stream of me unboxing what was sent to me. So with that said, everyone, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.